I'm going to kick it off with AI trust layer, PII, masking. Um, so let's start with why do we protect data? And the answer is because trust is everything. And we've seen in at least with the last releases that we're going towards a world where powered by AI, and you deserve to know if your personal information is safe when even when innovation is moving fast. So how do we do that? With something that we call PII in-flight masking, or PII masking to be short. And how this works is that before your data ever reaches a large language model, or all PII information or personally identifiable information is pseudonymized. I'm sorry for my my English there. So basically, this means that AI will never see the raw PII. And when it responds, we seamlessly restore the original data so you get smart, accurate results without compromising privacy. What does this mean for you? It means that you can confidently explore all of the new capabilities that we have in around generative AI, and you know that from a data privacy and regulatory compliance, right? You will be able to be all set and have a flawless user experience while at it. Some of the key use cases. So when working with AI is critical to protect all types of PII, right? This includes PII like dates, age, phone numbers, email addresses, and so on. It also covers financial information such as your credit cards or bank account numbers or routing codes. And finally, there's like specific country specific data like US Social Security numbers, UK national insurance numbers, and other national identifiers. So basically, this feature ensures that all of this sensitive data is masked before reaching the LLM, so nothing private is ever exposed. This feature is currently in public preview, so it's available to everybody. It just has the label as preview until we get it to general availability. It covers Gen AI activities and agents, basically any input sent to an LLM via an agent. So let's also see it. First, we are going to start in the AI trust layer where you need to set up a policy for. So in the AI governance tab, you want to set up a policy for AI trust layer where we will enable the feature. Let's call it demo, not my best name. And in the feature toggles, you can see the in-flight PII masking, right? So you can enable PII masking for agents, enable PII masking for Gen AI activities, the two areas that we have covered, right? So next, what you do is like your normal policy, you save this, and then you deploy it to whatever you want, whether it's a tenant or a user. Um, so that it's applied. I already have one. I have this PII masking test, which has the same. It actually has only the PII masking for agents enabled, and it's deployed to my, I think, to all of my tenants. And let's see how it actually works, right? So to best show this, I'm going to first go in Studio, where actually also do this. Right. Where I have a couple of solutions created where we have agents that are trying to, for example, this one is designed to compare two list of phone numbers, right? So just gonna just gonna run it. So it has two lists of phone numbers. It should detect what are the common ones, right? It will with PII masking on, this will the PII will be masked before it gets to the LLM, but then when the response is back, right, the results will be accurate. So let's run this. In the execution trace, right, this is still running, but in the execution trace, there will be no masking. As you can see, this is the PII is not masked. But where we will see this take effect is in the audits, in the logs, right, which I will show you in a second. If I go to admin, and then AI trust layer, and then audit. Oh, it will take a while for the maybe not that much for the log to be generated, but I have some previous runs in here. Let me see if this is the right one. No, maybe this one. All right, so this one with the social security numbers, and this is the one with phone numbers, right? So as you can see in the audits, right, like all of the phone numbers are masked, both in the input and in the output, but the result is actually correct, right? It correctly identified the common phone numbers that were in both lists, right? So this is a basic example with phone numbers. Any PII, any PII can be used for testing. We actually invite you to test this out to make sure that the this does not affect in any way the results of your agent runs, right? So we have here another one around SSN comparison, same thing, two lists, right? When it's processing, you can see the data in here. And then if we go back to admin, and again, trust layer and audit. Again, this is not real time, but I have a previous run in here where you can see the social security numbers are masked. So that's the gist of it. As we said, the feature is in public preview. We want you to test it. Give us feedback. Reach out to us to see where we can improve the feature until it gets general availability.